After successfully installing WordPress 4, you'll be directed to your first sample page. This is a page of your first post, as it says right here, Welcome to WordPress, with the title, the date that the WordPress site was installed. When it was installed, it created this page with the first post here. To edit or delete this post, you'll want to go to the back end. WordPress is comprised of two parts. A front end, which is what your visitors see, which is this page here. It consists of pages or posts to the right, a menu system over here, the title that I put in when I installed WordPress, a subtitle, search box, recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, meta, and then also a login. More on these elements of WordPress later. For now, let's go ahead and go to the back end so we can start editing this post. To get to the back end, you simply amend to the end of your address here. Notice this says 127.0.0.1:8080. That's on a local web server installed on my Macintosh in a folder called WordPress. So at the end of that, simply append wp-admin. Press return. Make sure you spell it right. Press return. That takes you to something called the dashboard. So let me spend a few minutes reviewing this dashboard. This is the back end of WordPress. It says Welcome to WordPress. We've assembled some links to get you started. You can customize your site. You can write your first blog post. You can add an about page. You can view your site. You can manage widgets or menus. You can turn comments on or off, or learn more about getting started. You can go ahead and click on any of these links. I'm going to go ahead and customize the site by editing that first post by clicking on the post link right here in the upper left hand corner, and that'll take you to your Hello World post that we just saw. Click on edit, and let's just go ahead and make a simple change here. Let's change this from Hello World to my first post, and then let's remove the Welcome to WordPress here. And this is my first post. Let's delete this edit or delete it, then start blogging. Simple changes. The idea here is you just want to make some changes and then update those changes. After it's been updated, let's preview this in the front end to see what it is you've changed. So the way you'll do that is you'll just go back here to the title. Teaching website was the title of this website when I created it, and then choose Visit Site. And there you go. There's the changes that I made. It says My First Post. To give you a better idea of how WordPress is kind of set up by default to act as a blogging platform, let's go ahead and add some more posts so you can see that they're going to be added here to this particular screen in reverse chronological order. You can either type wp-admin to get back to the admin area, or here from this menu that's visible, roll your mouse over the name of your website and then just choose Dashboard. That takes you back to this familiar dashboard with the next steps or more actions. Click on Posts, take you back to the Posts area, and then click on Add New. And now let's go ahead and enter title my second post. I'm going to label these first, second, third, so it's very clear how this is set up. And then you can just add any content here is fine. This is my second post. You can type in more text. You can copy and paste text from an editor, from a web browser. You can add media such as videos, pictures, audio. There is some editing that you can do to this text. More on that later. Let's go ahead and just click on Publish after we get our title and some text content, and also preview the changes. But let's go ahead and look at this in the site itself by clicking on the Visit Site link up here in the upper left hand corner, and then notice that these posts are arranged in chronological order. First post on the bottom, second post. I'm going to do a third post. It'll put that above the second post. It gives you the date. You can leave a comment, or you can edit that second post directly from here. To add the third post, I'll go back to the dashboard. This time I'll roll over Post and then just go directly to Add New. I don't need to go to the Post organization page. My third post, add some content, publish. Notice you can also set the status either published or pending review or a draft, meaning that you'll come back later and finish it. You can set the visibility. This post to the front page. You can password protect it. You can make it private. You can move it to the trash, or you can edit when it was published. Down here is formatting, standard, aside, image, video, audio, quote, link, or gallery. More on those later. For now, let's go ahead and update any changes you've made. You can preview those changes here. Just shows you the third post. Notice that it doesn't show you anything else, just that third post. To preview the website, click on the title, and notice that there are my 3 posts that I've created: first, second, third, in reverse chronological order, with the latest post being at the top and the oldest post being at the bottom. By default, this is how WordPress is set up as a blogging platform. Next, I'll demonstrate how to set this up as a website by creating pages with menus that can then link to different pages, including a page just of these posts.